internet, I am back for our 4th episode of my mini series on salmon. Quick and easy, no fuss 15-minute dinners. Today I decided to do something extra special. I want to thank Alaskan Seafood for sponsoring this video and providing me with this delicious fish. I'm obsessed with salmon. I can eat salmon literally every day, all day. But today I wanted to do something very different, something more Eastern European and something that we eat in Latvia all the time. And I think this salad also appears in a lot of Baltic countries as well as all over Russia. So it's gonna be a layered salmon and avocado rice salad. But when I say salad, it's slightly different in our country than what you imagine maybe in America or UK with leaves. Salad here is layered and you're gonna love it. It's just so, it's so delicious. My mouth is watering just talking and thinking about it. It's got that, creaminess from avocado. Then you've got that saltiness and lightness from, salmon. That rice, which is fluffy, and of course the secret sauce that goes inside, which I will show you how to make in this video. This salad is just so healthy, so delicious. It's got all your good proteins, all your good carbs and fats as well. So it's kind of like all in one amazing healthy meal that you can prepare for yourself, for your guests, and for the entire family. So I can't wait to hear what you think, guys, about this recipe. Thank you again so much to Alaskan Seafood for giving me this opportunity and creating these amazing dishes. So if you make any of them, please tag me on Instagram at Alice Yummy Food or Facebook. And the recipe will be down below in my blog. I can't wait to see all the delicious salads that you make. And now let's get cooking. You're going to need very simple ingredients: cheese, cream cheese, rice, lemon, avocado, and of course my delicious wild Alaskan soaker salmon fillets. It's so good. I love the salmon. Look at the color. It's all natural and absolutely delicious. So we're going to be using the salmon. It's sushi grade. First thing we're going to do, we're going to cut avocado in half and then deseed it. Gently tap on the seed in the middle and then take it out. Be really careful. Make sure your avocados are ripe. Then using a spoon, go around the edges and scoop out the avocado meat onto your board. This one is a bit of a tricky one. Doesn't want to come out. Then chop your avocado into small pieces. We want to make sure our cubes are very similar and are pretty much the same size. So just cube it up just like that. And if you have any large pieces, you can make them a bit smaller. It should be just like this. Now to stop avocado from browning, take a bit of lemon and squeeze a lemon juice on top of avocado and just set it aside. This will stop it from browning. Next, we're going to take our salmon fillet. What we want to do, we want to take out the skin. So hold the salmon, do a little cut at the end, and then just almost like hold the skin that you've cut off and using a fish knife, gently take off the skin. It takes a bit of practice to do this, but it's never too late to start practicing. Now you want to chop your salmon into small, nice pieces. And because the salmon is such high quality and natural, it is absolutely fine to eat it like that. We eat a lot of raw salmon in Latvia. And if you're not sure, make sure it's a sushi grade salmon as well. Once you chopped up your salmon, you want to add a little bit of salt and just leave it aside. Now to make the sauce in a bowl, add cream cheese. And then we're going to add mayonnaise. I'm only using a little bit, so this salad is actually very healthy. Sprinkle your dill. You can use fresh or dry. It's completely up to you. Then add seasoning, salt and pepper, and squeeze more lemon juice inside. You want to mix everything together until your mixture becomes nice and creamy, just like this. This sauce is delicious. You can use it anyway for any fish dish in the future if you wanted to. Now it's time to layer our salad. place salmon inside your cookie mold. I'm using a cookie mold. You can use any other molds that you have. This will be the base layer. Then I'm adding cooked basmati rice. You can use any other rice that you like. You can also even use brown rice if you want it to be super healthy. Then you want to add your chopped avocado. And top it up with your sauce. Lastly, add your salmon on top. Take off the decoration ring and top it up with cheese on top and a lemon slice and a little bit of a parsley to make it look super delicious. You can make this salad as individual portions if you wanted to, or you can make it like this, or you can make it in a large pot. It's completely up to you. I think it just looks amazing and, you know, just so fancy. You can do it at any dinner party and it's really, really healthy. I just think you've got all your goods, you've got all these amazing benefits in there. You know, you've got your carbs, you've got your protein, and you've got your good fats. So I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the salad straight away. Leave it to infuse for half an hour and then enjoy it straight away. Thank you so much for watching.